It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life. I want shopping, 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 shopping. It's my life. Money, 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 money. Yeah. It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life.
What up, rhirhi gang? Welcome to my channel, and today's video is gonna be my room tour. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I hope y'all really excited to see my room, what it looks like. And it's gonna be really big, so anyways, if you want to see more of my videos and you haven't subscribed, subscribe and be one of my rhirhi gang, so you wouldn't miss any of my new videos that I'm gonna be posting, or any new songs, whatever. And don't forget to press a notification bell. Alright guys, so I'm about to open the door for a count of 3. Are you ready guys? In a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is my room, you guys. So this is my TV and my Nintendo Switch. My TV is so big. And this is my Alexa. And this is my plant. It's artificial, by the way. And this is my stickers I put on my wall. And this is my lava lamp. Isn't it cool, you guys? I like how colorful it is. And this is my amiibos for my Nintendo Switch. And check out my artwork I just did. Isn't it cool, you guys? And I am the artist. And my mom just drawn me my initial. And it's really cool, you guys. And this is my phone stand of when I was little. And this is my squishies I made. Well, not really made, because I just got a squishy maker kit where you can just color them. Like color your own squishies of whatever color you like. And those are my nail polishes, my lip gloss or lip balms, mirrors, and sanitizers, my puppets, my watches, my fan, my speaker, my chip sealer. And look at all these games, you guys, from my Nintendo Switch and my 3DS. And those are my books. And this is my Bible, my Jenga, my Beats headphones, and my camera box I just got for my birthday. So this is my mini drawer of all my bracelets, my headbands, and accessories, so you can have room. And those are my boxes where I can put my stuff to make more space in case they're out of space. And I got the other ones, so I got 2 more of these. And this is my bowling pin that I got for my birthday when I was 14, which is last year. And those are my stuffed animals, flowers, and toys. And I want to show y'all the artist that drew a picture of me and painted it. Are you ready, guys? You're gonna be mind blown. Look, like they did an excellent job of painting a picture of me as a portrait. Like, that's when I had a box braids with blue hair stripes Isn't it cool, you guys? Like, I really love this picture of me. So comment down below if the artist deserved a trophy. So this is my artwork full of kisses from like lip balm, lipstick, and lip gloss. I just found it beautiful. That's why I hanged it over there in my room to make it look nicer and feel like it's girly aesthetic. Like, I just found it cute. And this is my door full of stickers of seashells, and I made my R initial full of wonderful diamond stickers. Isn't it cute when it has flowers and fake diamonds in it? Shine bright like a diamond. And I'm gonna show you guys the massive art poster. And it's really cool. Like, look at that. And I really love how colorful it is. And it suits me. Because I just love anything that's colorful and rainbow colors. It feels like it's just who I am, who likes colorful things. And here is another picture that is massive, just like this one. Like, I really love when it's galaxy. It's cool to have a galaxy poster up in your room. It's beautiful. And last but not least, my bed. It's so beautiful, you guys. And I also added follow your heart stickers. And I love my blanket that is colorful, and the pillows too, because it suits my bedroom and my personality. Just like this lava lamp that I just bought from Spencer's. And look at that poster I just made as well, when it says, I don't have time for fake friends anymore. So anyways, Riri gang, so I hope you all enjoy my room tour, and comment down below what you think of my bedroom. And if you want to see more videos once again and you're new to my channel, subscribe and be one of my Riri gang, because it's free. Like, it doesn't cost money to subscribe to my channel. And let's all make it to 1K subscribers, you guys. So let's work as a team. You got this, Riri gang, because I got 500 more to go. And I am really excited to get 1K subscribers. Because what are we waiting for? Subscribe. And it's free. It doesn't cost money, or you don't have to, like it's free. It costs like $0 or pounds or whatever currency. So anyway, stay tuned for Riri's TV. Riri's out. I love you guys. And go follow me on Instagram to check out my story to see what video you want to see next. Bye y'all.
It's my life.